I'm Nina Soden with the Soden Team at Keller, Madison, and today I'm at 199 Wilcot Road in Meridianville, Alabama.
This beautiful move-in ready home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and an open floor concept. As we enter the home, directly to the right, we find the first bedroom. Now this bedroom does have a walk-in closet, but it's in the perfect location to be an in-home office or a first floor guest room. When we exit this bedroom, go to the right, we do have the half bath. Right here off the main entrance, we enter into the living room. Beautiful LVP flooring, a great view of the backyard. We get lots of natural light through these windows, and an open floor concept from the living room to the dining room and into the kitchen. You can't beat this kitchen. It is very spacious for the size of the home. I love the dark cabinets with the lighter granite, and the pendant lighting is beautiful. If you are like me, the size of the pantry matters, and this home does not disappoint. We have a huge walk-in pantry. Just off of the pantry, we find access to the garage. Now we're going to head upstairs where we will find our master bedroom, the other 2 smaller bedrooms which share a bathroom, and our laundry room. Having the laundry room on the 2nd floor is a huge benefit, especially when the main living spaces, the bedrooms, are up there as well. So here to the right we have, there's attic access, and then here to the right at the top of the stairs we have the laundry room. First upstairs bedroom is directly across from the stairwell, next to the laundry room. There's the whole bathroom. Here is bedroom number 2 upstairs. The 2nd floor is carpeted throughout. So that last bedroom and this one both share this hallway bathroom right here. There's a linen closet just outside of the bathroom. And then we will go into the master bedroom. Nice, spacious bedroom with tiered ceiling, walk-in closet, and a private bathroom. We'll head back downstairs and through the living room and check out the backyard. We have a covered patio, which is perfect for barbecuing, sitting out and having a cup of coffee first thing in the morning. It's just a gorgeous view with no neighbors behind you. You have so much privacy in this home.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this virtual home tour. If you have questions about this home, would like to see it in person, or would like me to show you other homes that might better suit your needs, give me a call at 256-520-9640. That number again is 256-520-9640. And let me help you unlock the door to your next home.